H2KInfosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing, and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2KInfosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2KInfosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
Going to clone the value, clone the record, existing record, and here we can provide desired value. Click on save. Now it's going to create new record. This is not the same record. This is again a new record. See C2. What we have done, we are just cloning the values already there, the record already it is there, cloning it, and if any changes needed in that cloned record, we can do the changes and save it. Okay, and how this is going to help tomorrow. Now we are having only one field, one or two fields like this. In real time, while we are doing some testing, we may need to create a similar data again or a similar record, but data, there are many fields to be filled up. In that scenario, we can just clone it and change the wherever field you want to change the value, change it and do the save operation. So like this, it will be helpful. It's the purpose of cloning. So we have option to create new or clone the record. Okay. So now I will explain fields, but I want your confidence, how confident you are in creation of fields. All are clear in it. Any queries in creation of field? Because further we will be moving to different data types, then concept will slightly changing to, because the data type is different, so it looks different. So I want you to be clear with the process, how to create the field, and then it will be easy to understand the remaining. Okay, let me take another data type now. So I want you to practice text related data type, everything, text area, all these things. It won't be any change. You just need to create as if how you have seen now. I'm going to click new. Scroll down. So text area, all these things you have to try, and any queries, let me know. We will work on it again. Now I'm going selecting another data type, a simple data type, checkbox. Allow users to select a true, checked, or false, unchecked. That's it. So I've clicked on checkbox. Data type itself is a checkbox. Clicked on next. I'm saying it as a checkbox for us to understand. So it is asking here, what is the default value? So once we try to create a record, this field is available, right? What you want it to be as default, unchecked or checked? Mostly unchecked. So default will make it unchecked. Description of the field and help text. Click on next. Same thing, visibility, everything. Click on next. Save. It's a custom field, checkbox _C. A checkbox here. Nothing but what it is going to do. It is going to use just as a checkbox. If I check it, it is true. If I check in the back end, what does system recognize? It is true. This checkbox is true. If I uncheck, it recognizes as false. Okay, like this. Save. Second time to reflect.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Once can you repeat about the checkbox if it is true or false? How can we know? How should we know that?
Here you will get checkbox. Okay, let me edit. You are saying checkbox, right? If it is checked, it is true.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, unchecked, it is checked, it is true. Unchecked, it is false.
False. Okay.
Okay, it will take time, it will reflect again. Okay. The usage, we will take some examples. Now we are just seeing how to create. Okay. And another one. Currency or any other. Let me take currency. Allow users to enter a dollar or other currency amount and automatically formats the field as currency amount. This can be useful if you export data to Excel or another spreadsheet. So if you create a currency, if you export this data, there's no need specifically say it is as currency. Okay, it's already currency. Like this. Multiple currencies are enabled. You must set decimal places for each currency through manage currencies instead. Okay, we'll discuss this later because there is some extension to it, specifically to currencies. So, time being, let it. We'll discuss again. Date. Okay, clicked on date. Allow users to enter a date or pick a date from pop-up calendar. So it's a date field. Click on next. Date. Okay, field label could be anything based on business. I'm just for understanding purpose, I'm giving like this. Visibility. Everything read access, both I'm giving. Click on next. Layout, we are having only one layout. By default, it will come. Okay, let it take some time. So meanwhile, any queries in the field creation process? Let me log out and log in. See, it's a demo org, right? So here you will see like this, whereas in real time it won't look like this. And in production or sandboxes, it won't look like this. Date. Just observe here, you see the calendar symbol. You can click here, it shows, it gives a pop-up of date. So whatever date you want to select, you can select. It comes like this along with every information. Maybe this one I want to edit. Let me click edit. I can pick the date. Save. It saves like this. Okay, this is about date. You can try date time. If I click new, you'll have another option to create a date time data type field. Date time. Just read this one. What is simple? It's nothing but date is a date from calendar. Date time is a date along with the time. That is what it says. Now, where this is going to help you? So date is will capture date. Date time will capture date and the time at that point of time. for example, whatever time you want to give. Let me create date time. We'll get time also. That's it. Okay, let it take some time. What we'll do. I want everyone to create different data types, whatever you can try. If you are not understanding, just ignore that one, because we'll discuss each and everything again. But I want you to be familiar with at least with these text data types, date time data types, and simple time. You have clear information, right? So what is that? There's a time. So it's going to provide, we can provide input as like this time. That's what it is saying. By doing this, you will get familiar with the screens first. Every time it is taking time to reflect. Date time. It's a single field, date time. It is a combination of date and time. I can change time also. So, see, date is just date. Here, date time is going to pick the date and time. Okay, so that is the difference between date and the date time. So by these things, I hope you got idea what is object, how to create a field, a custom field. What is a custom field? How you can differentiate a standard field and custom field using that _C, API name, right? So different simple data types. Text is a different data type. Text. Yeah.
Sir, can you please, can I share my screen? How to go the custom object and fields and relationship, and I'm getting some different labels. So
yeah, share your screen. Okay. What is your object? Go to the object first.
where it is? Hello?
You have created object, right? Hello?
Sir, I'm hearing, sir. Just I type sales. Are you hearing, sir?
Yes. You are in Salesforce Chatter.
No.
Click on it.
Sorry.
Type sales. Click on sales.
Yeah. Okay.
And now, can you see the object? What is the name of the object? You have created any object?
No, sir.
Then without object, how? You want to create object first, okay?
Okay.
For that, click setup.
Where, sir?
Setup.
Where it is?
Okay. On the top, you are seeing gear symbol. Beside a question mark, you are seeing gear symbol, right?
Yeah.
Gear. That is not gear. Yeah, click on it. Yes.
Yeah, setup.
Click on setup. Just observe everyone, this is the setup screen. The screen before which we have seen is the sales application screen. I am asking you to create a custom object from setup screen. To create an object in the setup screen, you have to click on object manager. From there, click on create. Besides schema builder, you are seeing create. Besides schema, yeah, custom object. Yes.
Okay.
And provide the name of the object.
What is?
Anything, any example. I want you to understand the navigation, how to create a custom object. Make it a student, type student. S capital.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Plural, yeah, go on, type. Just see the example. Account you are saying for a student. What is a plural? Student means students. Plural. Students. Okay. Now description, if you want to give in real time, yes, we will give description. We should know, right? Someone who is working again on this object, he should understand what is this object, what is the purpose, why we have created, if there is any ticket for this object. So someone asked you to create this object, if there is any ticket number for this. So that description generally we will write in the real time. So that tomorrow if anyone sees this object, they can understand, okay, this is the purpose of the object and this is the ticket where they requested to create this. If in case ticket is there, this is the ticket where they have requested to create this object. He may open that ticket, it could be a case, right? So he open that case and he can see further information, something like that, okay? And now scroll down. And here, scroll down. Here you are seeing, see, optional features.
Yes, sir.
Allow reports, allow activities. You can check,
Yes, sir,
check that one. So then we can, if we enable that one, so it allows us to create a report on this object, allows us to create activities on this object. We can track field history on this object, all these things. Allow reports means we can create reports. If we not check this, we can't create report. Okay? Check all those things. All. Allow activities, then we can create activities. That's it. Yep. Scroll down.
Yes.
Now here search. Allow search. So you have created some records. You want to search that record. If you make it allow search, then only we can search it. Now another thing, add notes and attachment. Related list you can add. And the other thing, launch new tab. So we are going to create save. Yeah. Now it will go to the tabs. Now you have to select tab for this one. Click on that icon. Magnifier. Beside tab style, you are seeing magnifier symbol. Okay, not there. Wait. So you are seeing object student, right?
Yeah. Object manager. Yes.
It's a tab. There, if you scroll, see down. Object student it is showing, right? Beside the tab style is there. Tab style.
Yes, sir. Yeah, object student. Yes, sir.
Object student, tab style is there, right?
Yes,
now,
sir. If you change the color.
Magnifier. Yeah, click on it. Magnifier. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you have to select some tab. Any tab.
Example car. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you can click on save. Save on next you are seeing. Next.
Oh, it's last class.
Yeah. Now here, what it is saying, okay, you have created tab, agreed. Do you want this tab to be displayed to all the profiles? Okay.
Okay, sir.
In real time, generally, so we have created a tab. That tab functionality may be specific to some set of users. Maybe it is specific only to sales. Service is no more needed that field. In that scenario, what we will do? Profile, whoever users having a sales profile, for them only we'll make it as default on. For the other, we won't. It will be as a hidden. That one also we can do. How we can do? The checkbox, the radio button here, sit apply one tab visibility to all profiles. To all profiles, we are making it as default on. Now, my scenario is that I don't want to make it on for all profiles. My scenario is Second option, apply a different